This decorative piece I have recently came apart, so this was the perfect chance to put this super glue to the test. I'll show you exactly how I fixed it in just a second, but first I want to show you the super glue that I used because there's one feature that immediately stood out to me. Before I get started, I want to thank GH1200 for sending me the super glue to try out. So one of the biggest frustrations that I've always had with super glue is that after you use it once, you go to use it again a few weeks later and the nozzle is completely clogged or the bottle is dried out. So this one is designed so that it doesn't dry out between uses, which is a huge advantage if you don't use super glue all the time. But that's not even my favorite feature. Instead of only giving you one way to apply the glue, this actually comes with two applicators. You get a precision nozzle that's perfect for larger surfaces or when you need to place glue exactly where you want it. But you also get this brush applicator, and I honestly think that's what makes this one stand out. The brush gives you so much more control, especially when you're working on smaller projects or areas where you don't want glue squeezing everywhere. It lets you apply a thin, even coat without making a mess. Now let me show you how I use both applicators on this project. I'm using the precision nozzle first since I have a larger surface to work with here. And keep in mind that a little definitely goes a long way with this. I just needed a few dots of glue and the hold is really strong. The glue sets pretty quickly, within about 10 to 40 seconds, but they do recommend allowing a full 24 hours for the strongest bond. For the ribbon, I'm using the brush applicator because I wanted more control over where the glue is going. And once it cures, it's designed to create a durable bond that holds up to everyday use. Another thing I like is how versatile this is. You can use it on things like plastic, rubber, ceramics, metal, pottery, jewelry, toys, and so many other household items. So it's just one of those products that's nice to keep in a drawer because you'll never know when you'll need it. And I really like having the option to switch between the brush and the precision nozzle depending on the project. That's not something that you see with every super glue, so I think it makes this one much more versatile. So if you've been looking for a super glue that's designed to be easier to apply, gives you more control, and it gives you both a brush and a precision nozzle in one bottle, I think that this one is definitely worth checking out.